Hello traders, and welcome back to another video here with Tradehub. For this one we'll be doing a technical analysis of the natural gas futures, both the ETNs, DGAZ and UGAZ. Currently on the recap, we saw DGAZ close initially increase on the storage report and then take a significant dip afterwards, and UGAZ vice versa. Currently we are looking at the /NG charts for January 2020. We are currently at a price range of $2.30. We were all the way up at a highs of $2.0348. Sorry. As we can see here, we're currently playing at the support levels. We kind of are breaking below it. Currently on there, let's take a look at UGAZ. UGAZ is at 889. Of course, the market closed at 889. But if the market were open right now, it would be probably trading at around 880, 868. The VWAP is at currently 869. Let's take a look at DGAZ here. So the opposite of UGAZ, spiked up and then sold off, currently at 158.82. So currently, if we look at the 5-minute chart, we do see a kind of a bounce pattern, bounce up and sell off. Here, will it trend back up or continue to dip even further? If we look at so on the 4-hour chart here, we do see that the highs of a 210, currently 160. We're on a downtrending pattern. If we were to continue, we would likely see this hit this support levels of 137. So definitely a target to look at, or 150s to 137s, I would say. /NG here. Go back. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, currently getting lots of price action at the 229 range, 228, 220, 230. Okay, it's going further down. Yeah, let's see if we could get a better look at that. Okay, so kind of at that resistance level, so we'll wait and see what happens with that later on. But if we look at the natgasweather.com, we do see that the demand for natural gas is moderate. We see the December 12th through 18th forecast, the chilly start with lows of -10s to 20s for strong demand. However, but there will be light demand for the next few days. Through the weekend, demands will increase early next week as cooling returns across the Midwest, Northeast, as lows as -20s, with rain and snow in some areas. GFS model shows cold lasting, but with European model showing warming, overall strong demand today. Moderate Fridays through Sunday and back to high early next weekend. So that's interesting. We look at the 15-day high temperature forecast. We do see a consistent cold kind of hanging in there for until like the 15th, apparently it seems. But if we look at the difference between the 15th here, let's see, slightly in the mid-range kind of cut off, you see the green, and kind of warmer down south here. And let's see, so if we take a look here and then go to first day here, so we do see definitely increase in cold, as we can see, like the blue coming down further down to this line here. Right, come back. So that may be a indication that stronger or colder weather's gonna will come, or it may just back off and fade from there. But as we can see throughout until the 15th, it doesn't really cross the cross this line here over to Texas and those states. So definitely take it as what you will. Again, that is the technical analysis with the natural gas and natural gas futures for closing this week and into next week. I do expect a higher this to increase, prices to increase for natural gas with the increase in demand for next week. So I guess stay tuned and we'll see how that plays out. Again, if you guys enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one.